I'm going to use one of the blackest eyeshadows in my collection. For the black, we're going to add a little bit of powder to the spoolie. Still going to dust. Make sure that that spoolie's dry. Don't be frightened, y'all. You still need to reactivate. Cream is going to be easier to work with than powder. We're going to take a little bit of micellar water. Okay, we're just going to flick it and then wipe. We don't want it to go too far around the face. Stay with me here. It's not that scary. I'm going to tap to make sure that the micellar water dries, which it has. More spray. Get back in there with your concealer. So I use the Kosas concealer, and it's not even a full coverage concealer. So you could definitely use a full coverage if you wanted to. Okay, just go on top. Remember, it's okay to get over here. It's okay to go under here. Everything's reactivated. We're in a cream state. Now we're gonna go around the edges with our foundation brush. And then over the center, nice and smooth. Now we set. Now we just bronze again. Then we're gonna add our blush again, and it's like it never happened. I'll save this for later, because once you learn this, you're unstoppable.